boy just pulled up with the F90, looking all stockish. Gonna have to pull the M4 out. I did give it a detail yesterday. It's looking all clean. And if you guys haven't already seen it, we switched the stock pads for ceramic pads. So this is a day after washing the car, and pretty much the wheels are clean. So that's all the brake dust that there is, which is manageable, you know. A lot easier to clean, and at least the car looks clean even after driving it for a while. So, you know, like I said, that's a day after, and it was like a 20-minute install on each corner, so tops an hour. Not bad. We got a few goodies coming up for this car, but today we're gonna be installing intakes on my boy's Julio car. My boy watching that DIY right now.
Bro, I'm getting prepared.
Thought you were playing video games, bro. Let me hear the intakes, bro. No intakes right now?
Before and after.
Huh?
Before and after.
We got before.
That shit's gonna sound nasty.
Yeah, we gotta break the internet like the F80, bro.
I'm about to do it right now.
All right, let me get the M4 out. Bring the. See how fast you can install this. Right now it's 12:30.
I would say 1 hour maybe.
1 hour. That's not bad.
I mean, I did it in 2 hours on the 80, but the 80. So on the 80, bro, you know how hard it is? Because the silicone pipe is too big.
Yeah.
And my dumbass didn't really put like soap or something. So I was just trying to like squeeze it against the warm plastic things. There you go.
We got the clips off.
No plastic things broken, nothing.
M5 needs a tune.
It's coming soon, don't worry. Just let the people know what we do. So they're Lusso Performance, but we're putting different intake, different filters.
So you're running Lusso Performance pipes
With
MSR short filters, right?
they're called mesh filters.
Mesh filters.
Yeah,
So that gives it more of like a metallic sound.
Yes.
And I'm gonna drop a clip right here of what the F80, his F80 sounds like. Before he sold it, but I think it's pretty much gonna be similar, if not louder than that.
I think it will be more like deep at the top,
Yeah.
and not loud at low. You know, because the fade was too loud at low.
But on the F80, you had
I also had turbo inlets, which
yeah.
we will be replacing soon. This is the turbo inlets.
So these turbo inlets also are plastic, and we're gonna change those out to Inventory. Are those carbon or
Carbon.
carbon? So those help with the sound as well too.
And performance.
Yeah. and performance, because they're a little bit bigger actually. So yeah, when you're doing intakes on these cars, F80, F90, don't just put any intakes. It depends on the setup that has a unique sound. So that's where we're going that route.
Most people use project gum or silicone ones, which I do not like.
Because the silicone absorbs the sound, right?
It doesn't really make the metallic turbo noise, you know,
Yeah,
it's just like a different type of noise. So, yeah.
These engines are too easy, bro. Every time you do a DIY, you gotta do a Home Depot run. In this case, we need clamps to finish it up. Do we need anything else?
No.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, so 5 minutes. You run to the store and be back, and then we'll wrap it up. Let you guys hear what it sounds like. Alright, so we have one side in right now. We're trying to adjust the fitment so that it looks good on the outside. And then we have the second side that we're putting in. Already have the pipes in, so I'm gonna wrap up the install and then let you guys hear what it sounds like after.
Got it? Good and tight? Yes, sir. Good vibes, good vibes. Swing it, swing it.
Alright, boom, there you have it. We're gonna leave the grills off. We have them all installed. We're gonna do the first startup right now and hear how it sounds. I think it's gonna sound crazy. I've never actually heard an M5 with intake, so let's hear it. I have the DJI mic right there, so we're gonna go for a few pulls so you guys can hear it. How does it feel like power wise? Same power?
I can't really notice anything yet. You gotta like do some phaser pulls.
But the burbles sound a little different, right?
A lot louder, like the puffs are a little bit different.
Yeah, so the intakes give it a little bit more body.
I noticed that with that fadey, I would get like,
Yeah.
you don't have it with this one.
I think that might come from the trans tune though. Or maybe like once you start running more boost, bro.
Probably.
Yeah.
It's definitely gonna, gonna sound much more louder. Turn the boost up, put a down pipe, the down pipe.
Yeah.
Then turn it up a little bit.
So right now we're thinking like it sounds good, but it's just not as loud as the F80 intakes.
No.
That might be due to two things. It could be the inlets and just being on the stock tune, so you're not running as much boost. Because ultimately the sound comes from the turbo sucking air, so. But it sounds good, nevertheless.
Gotta hear it from the outside.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a few outside clips right now.
I was never satisfied with the interior either.